Okay. Ito na yung pinakamagandang bridge daw.
Spain. Spain is good and inexpensive, very beautiful.
Alright.
Yeah. Very
Grabe itong room.
Okay.
Gara.
smaller.
We thought about Spain as well, but
Panis na panis ang ano ah. Pari. Lampasok.
Yeah. The blue line.
Switzerland. Sandali lang kasi kami. So yung Alps na yung nakita doon. Pero ano, stunning din ang Alps kasi God-made. Hindi siya man-made. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. I'm gonna take a photo.
I'll find it nice.
Ano, pwede ito na.